Hey sweet babies, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. So today is Skincare Sunday. I've decided to bring Skincare Sunday back because a lot of us really do love skincare and a lot of us want to learn more about skincare. Y'all know I'm obsessed with skincare, so I'm gonna just do what I love. So today's skincare routine is really gonna be focused on moisturizing my skin and soothing my skin. This cold weather has had my skin like real tight and dry feeling, so I need some life back into my skin. It's the morning, I'm looking tired, I'm feeling tired, and I need to wake my skin up. So I got my headband, got my scrunchies, and y'all know I'm going to try to leave everything down in the description box, all the links for you guys to get to these products. So let's get started with my favorite part, my steamer. Now I ain't gonna lie, y'all, I have not been steaming as consistently since I stopped doing Skincare Sunday. Like, I was doing it before that and during, but after, it was like I fell off kind of, and I can tell in my skin it's just been so dry and tight feeling. When I steam my face before I do my skincare routine, it's like my whole skincare routine just flows better, everything absorbs better, and it's just better. Okay, so now we're gonna go in with this cleanser by Fresh. This is their soy face cleanser. I only like this for morning routines because it is very gentle. It has a nice like jelly consistency, super lightweight, and it has like a really aloe vera texture. It smells like cucumbers and it feels really good on the skin. But since it's such a gentle cleanse, I only like to use it in the mornings because at night after sunscreen or makeup, like, I need my cleanser to be heavy duty. Since my skin is already feeling like dry and dehydrated, I don't want to go in with a harsh cleanser. So this is perfect. Cucumber is soothing and it gives like a nice light moisture. I just rinsed the cleanser off, and that cleanser is really good for all skin types, especially sensitive skin. I'm going to take a cotton round and go in with my toner. Today we're going to use the Origins Mega Mushroom Relief and Resilience. This is a soothing treatment lotion, and like I said, I want to make sure my skin is moisturized and calm because when I go out in that cold, I can really like turn red if my skin isn't calm. So I like using toners that are going to soothe and moisturize my skin. Now I'm going in with some serums. This one is from Elemis. This is their Superfood Sika Calm Hydration Juice. As you can see, I love this stuff. This really makes my skin calm down and cool down. Like, I can feel my skin cooling down and calming, and it is very hydrating. Very good for the winter. You can use it any time of the year, but it is amazing for your skin in this type of weather. It's a nice like thicker type of serum. So if you use lighter weight serums, you would put this on after. My skin is already like looking more hydrated. Then I'm going in with this Hydra Firm Brightening Serum from Urban Skin RX. This is a really nice serum too. I think it's really nice and hydrating, and it has that alpha arbutin in it to brighten your skin. So this is really nice for daytime. I love that it has that hyaluronic acid because my skin been acting up. So I got some scarring over here that I want to get rid of. So that's another reason why I pulled out the brightening serum. So since that serum had hyaluronic acid in it, and we know that hyaluronic acid holds like about 1,000 times its weight in moisture and hydration and water, so I'm gonna go in and spray some rose water on my face just to keep my skin cool, calm, and collected. So this step is optional. I'm going in with the Liquid Glass from Farsali. This is like a skin serum that you can use alone or with makeup. It really gives you a really nice glow. So I like to put it on just to give me a little extra glow. I'm just gonna pat that in. See, we want to look glowy but not oily, you know what I'm saying? Even though I don't mind looking oily, like I want to be glistening. Y'all know how I do. Okay, for moisturizer, we're going in with the Glow Recipe Banana Souffle. This is a calming and hydrating moisturizer. It's not really heavy, but it's not really lightweight either. It has a nice like creamy consistency. Of course, I love the way it smells, and bananas are moisturizing for your skin, so this is really nice for really hydrating my skin and keeping it nice and calm. I love the way that it just soaks into my skin. Ooh, honey. And since this is a daytime routine, y'all know we need sunscreen. So I'm going in with the Fenty Skin Moisturizer and Sunscreen. This is a really nice sunscreen. Of course, I love the little pink color, love the packaging and all of that. But this gives you like a nice healthy glow that's not too glowy. It's like the perfect glow. It's not irritating. It works well with all kinds of skincare I put it with. Like, I love that it plays well with other brands. So this is just a really good all-around sunscreen for I believe all skin types. Of course, I need something on my lips, so I'm just going to use this Sol Janeiro like lip butter. It looks like it has a color, but it really doesn't. Like when you put it on, it's really just clear. So I like that. You guys, my skin looks and feels so much better than it did at the beginning of this video. My skin feels so much more hydrated and calm. I'm ready to go out there in that cold weather and do what I gotta do. So let me know down in the comments what kind of skincare routine you guys want to see next, so I can dig in my stash and get that together for y'all. Please like this video, share, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.